to protect the victims of county lines in Gwent?
That's a very, very good question, and it's a very pressing subject because county lines, for those of you who are not familiar with the term, that's how drugs are transported across Gwent in this case, mainly by young and sometimes very young people, children, and there's an aspect of organised crime. We obviously try to identify, and the Chief Pam will give some more details from the operational side. We certainly try to identify who the organising criminals are with a view to taking them out. But more importantly, from my side of things, is trying to educate young people about saying no to drugs.
So what we're doing first of all to target serious organised crime and those that are traffickers of drugs and other criminality is we go after them really hard. So this isn't a nicey conversation. This is police officers absolutely spending days, sometimes weeks, sometimes months, collecting evidence so that we can lock these people out. And of course, what you have in the middle of this then are groups of young people that might have been drawn in to that criminality. And my ask of you is this. What we do is look after one another here in Wales and in Gwent. And if you see one of your friends or a young person that you just have this suspicion of why they're involved with this group, why have they got all this new gear, just make sure you think about county lines, offering support and perhaps mentioning it to an adult. Because what we will do is obviously deal with people as a victim if they've been brought into that group. But sometimes victims then become a part of the criminality, and you cannot allow yourselves to be involved in that.